Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to move text in Photopea. Photopea is a free online photo editor. We can go to this website to use Photopea for free. Now I click Start using Photopea, and then we can click New Project to create a new project. I will use YouTube thumbnail templates and then create a new project. Next, we can go to Add Text. We can use Type 2 or we can use Vertical Type 2. In this tutorial, I will use Type 2 and then click on Artbox and we can type, for example, I type text box. This is quite small. I press Ctrl A and then we can go to top option bar. We can change the size. I enlarge it to make it obvious. And then if we want to move it, we can go to Move Tool and choose it. And then make sure that we select the text layer and then we can move the text here. This is the first way to move text. The alternative way, we can press Ctrl-Alt-T to use Transform tool, and then we can see the anchor bar is at the center. If we want to move it to the corner, for example, I move the anchor point to top left, and then we can type 0 in X and 0 in Y. Oops, 0 in Y. We can move the text box to the top left corner. Now I set anchor bar to center and then we can use move tool again to move to here. We can snap to center. So this is how we can move text box in Photopea. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.